Hey there, this is me Ashish Verma, welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. Hope everybody is doing great and living happily with their families. So in today's video, we are going to talk about LTIMindtree. Recently, one of my friend had one interview with LTIMindtree. The job post was Primavera Technical Analyst. So recently, I was having discussion with him. So he told me that LTIMindtree is having lots of project related to Primavera. That is why they are looking for Primavera Technical Analyst people. All right. So I was having lots of doubt. I mean, what type of question do they ask, and during the interview, what are the steps to clear the interview? How many rounds were there? So he gave me detailed description of that. So I thought that I have a YouTube channel and people are watching, people are coming from the engineering background, they are connected with me. So why not? I should share this wonderful a piece of information to my viewers so that in future, if they are getting this opportunity, they can easily tackle the interview and the type of structured interview that they are going to bring in front of the my viewers. They can easily tackle the interview. All right, so we'll start from the beginning, how he got the opportunity. All right, so he was very active on LinkedIn. So from LinkedIn itself, he applied. He went to LTIMindtree profile. There he got that opportunity. So he applied, and then after 1 and 2 week, he got a call from LTIMindtree HR, and they had basic telephonic interview where he was being asked that where you are working, what is your work profile, and do you have any idea about the Primavera, and then the type of work that Primavera people do. Do you have any experience with the coding skills? I mean, how you are going to add Primavera with integrate with different softwares and all. So this is what happened, and then they asked about his notice period. What is your notice period? What is your current CTC? And then are you interested in this and that? Then he was giving all the answers, and then he showed his interest for that particular job profile. So they selected him, and then they asked him to send his passport size photo, and then uh, proper JD was being sent to him, and then he went through the JD, and then process started. After that process, it took almost 2 weeks to get a call, and then he got a call from HR again, and they shared one through mail. He has to give his basic detail, basic educational detail, 10th, 12th, and then experience certificates and basic salary slips and all. And then they told him that when you are available for the first round interview, and that will be the technical round interview. Then he was right, okay, next week, Saturday or Sunday, I'll be available because generally my friend is having weekend off. So he had interview on Saturday. So this was the process, basic process. So first round was technical round. So he was ready for the interview, and he was not knowing actually what type of questions are going to be asked. So in JD itself, they mentioned that you have to know about the Primavera software, what is work breakdown structure, what is organization breakdown structure, what is costing, what is resource management, what are resource codes, what are user interface for the Primavera, and how you can do the integration from Primavera to other uh, other platforms or other softwares. All right, or other applications, how it can be integrated and how you can bring the actionable insights from that. So according to that GD part, he prepared for the interview. He had means he searched a lot of question on Quora, on Google, and also he used chat GPT with that JD. So he got basic information, okay, the type of structure they are going to ask. So actually the fun part was when his interview started. In the beginning, they verified, they asked him to show his PAN card and Aadhaar card, and they did the cross verification whether the person is the same person who has shared the detail or not. When they verified, his interview started, and then there were three panelists who were interviewing him. So one person was focused about his basic introduction. Tell me about yourself, and what is your work profile, what you have done, what is your experience, and how tell me about your family background, where you come from. So that was asked by one particular panelist, and then second panelist asked about the technical. So technical questions were not that tough. They started basically what is Primavera P6, where we use Primavera P6, and then what is OBS, what is WBS, how do we create WBS, how we break down the big projects, and then how do we load the cost. If we have to create our own user defined field UDs, then how you can create. And then if, let's say, if you have to import Primavera plan to new and bring it to Excel, can you do it? Or you can, in a bulk, you can bring the data from Excel to Primavera. And also, what is EVM, what is critical path, what is the longest part, these type of questions they asked. The toughest part was when they started asking how you can integrate Primavera software with other softwares. Since he was from IT industry, so he was knowing that with the help of SQL and then some add-ons, we can integrate. Then they were asking that, have you ever worked as an independent person to integrate all these things? Then at that time he was saying that, I mean, what he informed me that, Ashish, I have never worked with single-handedly. I mean, I was in a team. So he informed them that he has worked as a team, and then they were saying that no issue. We want a person who has at least knowledge of it, and then if given the work, he can perform the job. Then he was okay. I can do it. So in that way, his interview went, and it was crisp and very nice. And at the end, the interviewer asked him, do you have any questions? Then he asked, I mean, what type of work that he is going to be getting. I mean, whether the project timeline will be small duration, or it's like 3 years, 4 years duration. Then he was also, means, HR informed him that no, these are the short-term projects that you have to do, and but we have lots of projects. It's not a bench hiring; it's a permanent role. Okay, then in that way, and then he asked when he can expect his first interview round result. So HR informed him that within 1 day or 2 day you'll get the result. And boom, when result came, he was selected for the first round. And then the first second round, there was a manager round. I mean, this person who was being interviewed, under whom this person is going to work in that particular company. So that managerial round, it was great. It was a mix of technical round, professional experience round, and then some personal things were being asked in that managerial round. Now he's still waiting for the result. The result is not yet out. Once the result will be out, then we'll know that whether he's selected or not. But he was happy, he was satisfied that the interview was very structured and very nice. Even panelists were very nice to him. All right. So this was the complete structure of the interview for Primavera Technical Analyst Specialist post. All right. Apart from that, they didn't ask too much. They were not interested in his personal life, what he does, what uh, he is willing to do in his career. That was the completely centered towards the job profile. All right, so I hope you all have got the basic idea about the job profile that LTIMindtree is hiring nowadays. So if you are coming across this interview, then, or if you are getting this job opportunity, please watch this video. This is going to be very helpful. If your friends are having interview related to this, you please share this video. Till then, bye bye. See you all on my next video. And I hope you are doing well in your careers. So bye bye. See you all on the next video.